So what you need to do is just open your Google Chrome browser and then click on these three dots here on the right hand top corner, and then you need to just click on the third option from the bottom. Okay, so you need to click on the third option from the bottom, which is 1, 2 and 3, which is this option, right? So the first from the bottom option here is for the exit, second from the bottom is for the help, and third from the bottom is for the settings. So just click on this settings option here. So once this settings page opens, you need to scroll down at the very bottom. So just scroll down at the very bottom, and then you will be able to see this kind of option. So you might not be able to understand the language, but at least just make sure that this arrow is visible alongside with this text. So if you see this arrow alongside with the text, then just click on this option, which is going to expand the other settings. So we have opened the advanced settings. So this option is for the advanced settings, and the first option under the advanced setting is for the language section. Okay, this you can also understand by just scrolling down a little bit, and you will be able to see this path here, which is for the downloads path. So just above the downloads path, you will be able to see the language section. So just click on the first part of this language section, and here you will see different languages. So if you don't see English in this list, just click on this link, which is available just under the languages, and then choose English from these options. Okay, so just choose English from these options, which is going to let's say I am going to just choose this Indian English from here, which is going to add this language in my language section. And in order to just make this language as my default Google Chrome browser language, I just need to click on these three dots here. So just click on the three dots and then choose the first option. Okay, so click on the three dots and then just check this checkbox, which is the first checkbox. Okay, so just click on the first checkbox, and then you will see that this button appears in front of the language which you have chosen. In my case, it's English. So just click on that button, which is going to relaunch your Chrome browser. And once your Chrome browser relaunches, you will be able to see that the language is now changed to English, right? So now it's easier to understand, and now you can see this was the advanced section, and under advanced section, the first option is for the language, and you can choose the language from here. So this is how you can change the language back to English in your Google Chrome browser. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.